Let's understand who are debtors and creditors. So who is a debtor? Debtor can be a person, he can be an individual, or it can be a firm or a business entity who basically receives benefit. Okay, they have received benefit but without giving money or money's worth immediately. That is, they have received benefit now but they have not given the money or money's worth, but they'll be giving it in future course of time, maybe as per the fixed time frame. So till such time, the person who have received the benefit but have not paid the money will be called as a debtor. So he would eventually become your asset till the time he pays the money to you. Okay, we'll take an example. Let's say you sell your goods on credit to Mr. X. Okay, so Mr. X takes 3 months time to pay you back. So for this 3 months, Mr. X is going to become your debtor and he will become your asset also, because you have right on him for the money or the cash which he should pay you. Fine. Then who are creditors? Creditors are a person who gives a benefit without receiving any money or money's worth immediately, but he will have claim on the future. So creditors are the person who are giving you benefit of money or money's worth, okay, without receiving any money now. So they are giving you benefit. It can be in terms of money or it can be in terms of stock. That's why I said money's worth, or it can be any other item without receiving any money now, but they will have claim on that money in future. So they are called as creditor, and creditors would become your liability. That is, you have to pay them, you have an obligation to pay them in future. Let's take one example. Let's say you purchase from Mr. Y, okay, and you are not going to pay him now, you will pay him after 2 months. So you have an obligation to pay to Mr. Y, so Mr. Y becomes your creditor. So till the time you pay him, Mr. Y will become your liability.